Think AI isn't touching your wallet yet? Think again. In 2025, artificial intelligence is already managing your money and you might not even notice. Let's break it down. Those budgeting apps you swear by? They're using AI to analyze your spending patterns, flagging when you splurge and helping you save without even thinking about it. Robo-advisors? They're not just for Wall Street anymore. They scan your risk profile and auto-invest, moving your money in ways most humans can't match for speed. Your bank? It's got an AI brain too. These days, banks use AI for real-time fraud detection, predicting your next move, and even offering you products that actually make sense for. And if you've ever used Mint, YNAB, or even Google Wallet, that's AI working behind the curtain guiding your spending and savings every single day. Now we've got ChatGPT and other smart AIs helping people automate bill payments, set up budgets, and craft investing strategies all with just a few prompts. It's like having a personal finance assistant that never sleeps. So, what's the future of finance? It's already here, powered by AI. And if you're not taking advantage of these tools yet, honestly, you're already a step behind. Like what you learned? Hit like and subscribe. I've got more financial tech coming your way, right here on Wealth Loop.